External shunts are sometimes used with ammeters to increase meter sensitivity, permit shunts with larger resistances to be utilized, prevent damage to the meter movement from heat generated by the shunt, enable the construction of a compact meter with a virtually unlimited range. The correct option is prevent damage to the meter movement from heat generated by the shunt. The output voltage of a 440 volt 60 Hz AC generator is controlled by the prime mover speed, exciter, output voltage, load on the alternator, number of poles. The correct option is exciter output voltage. Any electric motor can be constructed to be short proof, ground proof, explosion proof, overload proof. The correct option is explosion proof. Which of the following statements represents the main difference between a relay and a contactor? Contactor controls current and relay control voltage. A relay is series connected and a contactor is parallel connected. Contactors can handle heavier loads than relays. Contactors are made from silver and relays are made from copper. The correct option is contactor can handle heavier loads than relays. Which of the following statements is true concerning a polyphase synchronous propulsion motor? The motor is started as an induction motor. Resistance is gradually added to the rotor circuit. The starting current is held below the rated current. The field winding is energized for starting purposes only. The correct option is the motor is started as an induction motor. Where a thermal acting breaker is required to be used in an area of unusually high, low or constantly fluctuating temperatures, an ambient compensating element must be used. This element consists of a cylindrical spring on the contact arm, conical spring on the contact arm, second bimetal element, second electromagnet. The correct option is second bimetal element. Which of the following statements represents an application of a silicon controlled rectifier? To provide DC power for a main propulsion motor, for use as a voltage reference diode, for sensing flame in the automated burner, to eliminate power supply hum. The correct option is to provide DC power for a main propulsion motor. The electrolyte used in a nickel-cadmium battery is distilled water and diluted sulfuric acid, potassium hydroxide, lead sulfate, zinc oxide. The correct option is potassium hydroxide. Which of the damages listed can occur to the components of a winch master control switch if the cover gasket becomes deteriorated? Overheating of the winch motor, contamination of the lube oil, sparking at the winch motor brushes, rapid corrosion of switch components. The correct option is rapid corrosion of switch components. An accidental path of low resistance allowing passage of abnormal amount of current is known as A or N, open circuit, short circuit, polarized ground, ground reference point. The correct option is short circuit.